Hello everyone. Today I want to tell all of you my story, and the name of the story is Where is Danny? Danny is hiding from his friends today. Usually, Danny and his friends Jenny and Eddie play on the playground after school, but not today. When classes ended, Jenny and Eddie came to meet Danny as usual, but he was not there. Where was he? On Danny's desk, they found the piece of paper with some writing on it. They picked up the note and read it. Hello, my friends. I'm going to a place where we have a lunch every day. Find me there. Eddie scratched his head. Where's that? He asked. It's the place where we eat, said Jenny. It's the cafeteria. They ran to the school cafeteria, and yes, there he was. Danny was sweeping the floor, and a few other boys and girls were washing the tables, chairs, and counters. Right away, they rolled up their sleeves and joined the cleaning with Danny. The second story I want to tell all of you is about Earth Day. Earth Day. The first Earth Day was on April 22nd, 1970. It works in the United States. A man named Mr. Nansen started it. He wanted people to take care of the earth. People worked on cleaning the land, water, and air. Some people picked up trash. Other people planted trees and flowers. The second Earth Day was on April 22nd, 1990. This time, people all over the world took part. Now, we celebrate Earth Day every year on April 22nd. People in Australia clean beaches. People in Jordan and Canada plant trees. People in Russia plant gardens. People in Sweden visit farms. On one Earth Day, people in Japan made soap and both cards out of trash. What will you do on Earth Day this year? And the second and the third story today I want to tell you is needles don't hurt. Chiner is scared. Today she is going to see the doctor. She is going to get the needle. Chiner does not like needles. It will hurt. She cried. I don't want to get the needle. Mom says, getting a needle is good for you. It will help you stay healthy. The doctor is wearing a white coat. She has a nice smile. The doctor looks at Gina and says, "Don't be afraid. The needle will not hurt. Everyone gets needles." Gina holds out her arm. She is still scared. "Close your eyes and think of something funny," said the doctor. Gina closed her eyes. Gina closed her eyes, thinking. She felt a small pinch on her arm. "There now," says the doctor. "You are a good girl. It is over." Gina laughs. She is not scared of needles anymore.